Noswedda. A very warm welcome to this session from EAS Seren Academy Hub. My name is Sian Farguson and I'm the Regional Coordinator for South East Wales, so a very warm welcome. I hope you've enjoyed the event so far. I just wanted to reiterate really what the Seren programme was all about. Seren programme is very much a partnership. It's a partnership between the region, teachers in schools and colleges, parents and guardians, and also young people who are aspiring to get the very best grades and get into the very best universities. I think it's worth just reminding ourselves that the Seren programme is very much about supporting our young people here across Wales with the aspiration, their motivation, to support them to get the very best A-level results and to get into the very best universities, whether that's Oxford, Cambridge, or some of the most elite competitive universities here in the UK. I mentioned there about the Sutton Trust universities. Here is a list of the Sutton Trust universities. Some of them you'll recognise, I'm sure. You know, we're very fortunate and blessed here in the UK to have some of the world leading universities, and you know, we'll give ourselves and our young people every opportunity to get them into these very best universities. And here's the good news: we have just on our doorstep here in South Wales, we have some of the very best universities within very easy reach. That's just a snapshot really to just emphasise that fact. Throughout the Year 12 Seren programme, what we aspire to do is to support young people with their confidence, their motivation, their aspiration, but most of all, supporting them to work their way through the complex notion of applying to one of these top universities. Loads of decisions to be made. You know, I've put a figure there of over 30,000 degrees to choose from when young people are in year 13 completing their UCAS application. And look at, that's just a snapshot of some of the degrees that young people can apply for. I think overwhelmingly it's important to apply for a degree, a subject that young people are interested and passionate about. As you can see, there's some very unusual titles there for degrees. We also support young people in how to make the right decision about which university is the best for them. Here in South East Wales, this is just a snapshot of the events that we'll be inviting our Year 12 Seren learners to. It's a combination of generic sessions. You know, what is the UCAS process? How do you apply for universities? You know, what do I need to do to prepare now whilst I'm in Year 12? And Year 12 is really all about doing your homework, doing your research, and a variety of activities to prepare you for applying to university next year. All this information will be given to schools and colleges, the heads of sixth forms, the Seren coordinators, so don't worry about having to note anything down. I just wanted to give you a flavour. Also, we give an opportunity to look at some of the subject areas, whether it's law, philosophy, politics, for those considering applying to medicine. So there'll be something for everyone. As I mentioned, in Year 12, this is about everybody doing their homework, parents, guardians, carers. You can certainly support your sons and daughters with this. You know, there's loads of research opportunities, whether it's newspapers or websites, and this is just one example. Also, financial support. There is financial support to go to university, and again, it's an opportunity to just do some research around that, and we will also, you know, support you with that aspect as well. Universities have scholarships, bursaries. It's worth looking on their websites to see what that looks like and what you could potentially apply for. Just going back to the decision making, you know, one thing that you will need to be aware of is what is the minimum grades that you are expected to achieve at A-level to get into some of these top universities. I've just given you a couple of examples here on this page. So if you know in advance, then you know what you're aspiring to achieve. And this is the sort of information that we'll go over with you during your time in Year 12. Again, here's some other opportunities and examples of where you can really get stuck into making decisions, helping you make decisions. You know, do go to the virtual open days in the universities. You know, there will be some university summer schools, whether they'll be face-to-face in 2021, who knows, but if not, there will be lots of virtual opportunities. So, you know, keep ahead of the game, keep up to date with current affairs, and explore your passions and your interests and your subjects further. Parents and guardians, here's something for you. The UCAS website has a newsletter that you can sign up to just keep you abreast of everything to do with university applications. What I really want to do now is to, rather than listening to me talking about the SEREN programme, I'm going to pass you over now to our SEREN learners who was on the programme in Year 12 last year. She's now in Year 13, and she's going to give you her views on the benefits of the SEREN programme. So I'm absolutely delighted now to pass over to Fionn. Fionn, if you'd like to introduce yourself.
Yeah, so hello everyone, my name is Fionn. I'm a Year 13 student at Ysgol Gyfun Cymru, hoping to study law at university next year. Felly, helo fy enw yw Fionn, rydw i'n ddisgybl ym mlwyddyn 13 yn Ysgol Gyfun Cymru sy'n gobeithio astudio'r gyfraith yn y Brifysgol y flwyddyn nesaf. So as Sean mentioned, I was a member of the SEREN network last year, and I hope by the time I finish talking to you today a little bit about my experiences, you will be as excited now as I was when I was in your position last year. So from the beginning of my time in the SEREN network, I had such fantastic support. And this really began with choosing which subject that I wanted to study at university. So a number of my peers were very unsure about what subject they wanted to study, and attending the workshops gave them a fantastic opportunity to really delve into different subjects and to be able to find out then which one of those they were most passionate about. But for someone such as myself that already had an idea of what they wanted to study, it was equally as useful because it really helped me consolidate that passion that I have for law. And it also gave me an opportunity to explore a couple of similar subjects that I perhaps hadn't considered before, either because I hadn't heard of them or simply because I didn't really know that I was particularly interested in them. So what I think a key example of this is I went to a driverless cars workshop where we talked about perhaps the ethics behind driverless cars, which really opened my eyes to the possibility of a degree in philosophy. But then it was ultimately going to one of the other workshops that really showed me that it was in fact law that I wanted to study, and perhaps the jurisprudence, which is the moral aspect of law. After I made this decision, after my peers and I had made this decision, it was on to preparing for our university application next. And this really started with engaging with supercurricular materials. So supercurricular is a word that you will hear a lot through your time in Year 12, which just means that you engage with materials that have a direct relation to the degree you want to study at university. And the SEREN network really gave me some fantastic recommendations for books to read, for podcasts to listen to, which really, it can seem like a mountain of a task, really, you know, when there's so many books out there, so many materials out there. So having this this guidance from the SEREN network was invaluable, and I was able to use that then to find, again, my own interest in law and guide my own research then. So it was a really fantastic guidance that I received then. And it not only helped, the SEREN network not only helped prepare for my university application in that way, but it also gave me practical experiences that really helped my university application in general and helped shape me as a person and prepare me. And again, a key example of this was attending the SEREN network's international summer school. So I originally applied for the Harvard University Summer School, but of course, due to the coronavirus situation, it wasn't possible for me to be able to attend this in person. So the SEREN network put on an equally incredible opportunity for me to engage in this online, which allowed me to attend seminars and lectures just as you would in university, and also gave me such unique experiences to engage in a tutorial as you would have at Oxford University, and also to present my findings from the summer school to the Welsh Government. So I learned such key skills in this, and again had the support and guidance to help me progress to life at university. And I think that's what I've appreciated the most from the Sarah Network, is how it's really helped me develop my confidence and my aspirations. Now, I've always been someone that does aim high, but without the Sarah Network, I don't think I would be applying to the 5 Russell Group universities that I have just applied to. And I'm so grateful to the Sarah Network in that way. They've really helped blossom my confidence, and I can say the same for all the learners in my year. So yeah, I'm really grateful to the Sarah Network, and I hope now, after hearing a bit about the incredible opportunities that I've had, you are so excited for the year you have ahead of you. Felly, diolch yn fawr I chi am wrando, ac rwy'n wir yn gobeithio eich bod chi'n gyffrous iawn am y flwyddyn sydd o'ch blaenau.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, Ffion. That was excellent. Thank you so much. And I think, you know, Ffion sort of captured really the experiences, the support and the benefits have been on the SEREN programs. So thank you ever so much. That was really enlightening and informative. Thank you very much. I think finally, I would just like to say a huge congratulations to our Year 12 learners in schools and colleges across Wales who've been nominated for this programme. You've been nominated because you are one of the brightest young people here in Wales, so that's fabulous. You know, we want you to take every opportunity that we provide on the SEREN programme. Book onto as many events as possible. As I said, this is part of your research this year. You're exploring options, discovering options, so that you will be really prepared this time next year to put in those applications to the very best universities in the UK or maybe overseas. All the information will be given to your teachers and in both school and college and your SEREN coordinators, so please keep in touch with them. They'll provide you with information to make sure you book onto as many events as possible. So diolch yn fawr iawn, thank you ever so much. Parents, just to let you know, the Facebook page there where we will send little reminders on a regular basis, so please, if you do have a Facebook account, please do register with that. But again, huge thank you, and a huge thank you again for Ffion being our guest here in this presentation. Thank you very much, everyone.